Are you looking to start a food business but don't have a lot of capital to invest? In this video, we'll show you 6 food business ideas that you can start with less than 1,000 pesos capital. Here's our list of the 6 profitable food business ideas that requires less than 1,000 pesos capital. Remember, these are just estimates and your actual expenses and earnings may vary depending on your location, competition, and marketing strategy. It's important to carefully plan and research before starting any business to ensure its success. Thanks for watching. We hope these information can inspire and help you get started with your food business with less than 1,000 peso capital. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more information about ways to earn money. Take care.